Hi, my name is Abdul Shafaz Adil. I'm a MSc Project Management student at Ravensbourne University, London. So, on behalf of our first sim project, I'll be sharing my project experience and that we have all gone throughout the semester. And my project is basically on about EcoFest actually. The tagline says it's a sustainable living, inspiring the sustainable living. And as a student lead, we raised fund for unprivileged students, and we are supporting them for their education and for the needs for their education. And as our vision is like to bring students, local business guys and the wider community through raising around £10,000 of fund through interactive environmental consequence events. And we have hosted many events throughout the project, and we have introduced them the upcycling workshops and reward based participations. And there were many booths which are run by students, and everything was hosted in the campus itself. We have a beautiful campus which will be hosted everywhere, everything throughout the walkway. And the most what the message we are giving is like we plan for getting a low cost high impact model. So hosting this project is basically very low of cost, and the impact which it gave was really high. It's very valuable impact that we got from throughout this project. Like we were introducing mostly recycled material, and we reduced the expenses. At the same time, we are supporting a global sustainable agenda. And the event also opens a collaboration opportunities among the people, like with collaboration opportunities with local great business guys, then building a strong community network. And we have used many theory from our semester that we studied, like smart objectives and so on. And working all this together, this helped us to get a wonderful and beautiful project. And we had gathered a very good team for this project, like we have divided every task, and we have divided every roles among the students who has been part of hosting this project. There were project management teams, financing teams, we have got the event management teams, and many members were giving supporting with technical support and sponsorship support. And each member contribute according to their domain of expertise. And for each member we just particularly gave the work breakdown structure has been introduced for each members. So each member have been given a particular task, particular work, and they have been working on that, and they have like completed so beautifully every works and everything. And everything is denoted in Gantt chart for the further reference in throughout this project. And for the communication, we have used online meetings. There have been weekly updates, like email update, like 2 to 3 emails we have been updating throughout the emails. And often we done many face-to-face interaction sections too. And we have used at some cases and some scenarios we are not able to meet face to face. At that time we used like a Google Meet, and mail is one of the main source of communication among the people for better collaboration. And team members were using mails for maintaining transparency throughout all the events. Then there has been a clear mapping of everything was done, and we ensured there is a strong internet connectivity, which is a basic and most important thing that is needed for conducting the event. Like with a good connectivity, we don't get our work interrupted, so there's a smooth flow for the work. And we have ensured that all our team members are maximum in collaboration thing. When it comes to collaboration, we just build a good team, and we expanded and outreach universities, and we made all the participants so satisfying everything. And when it comes to risk management and healthy and safety, mm, we just ensured that there's no internet failure, and all the surrounding area was clean, very hygiene, and everything is secured. There is, and we have kept many things for the backup, and there is no interruption for the event. That event takes place in a good place. And we have planned, everything was planned accordingly, and everything went over. And during the EcoFest planning process, we encountered several challenges, uh, depend on the understanding of project management. One of the major challenge was dealing with limited technical infrastructure, and particularly regarding the internet access. So there have been some problem with the internet access, since we have to get along with that, but still we managed with that. And it's a crucial role for promotion of the event and logistic team. And I overcame by this by proposing the use of universities' existing network, resources, and collaboration with the tech vendors. So they helped me a lot throughout this project. And another challenging that we faced during the project was communication with multiple roles, overlapping responsibilities. Initially, it was very confusing to coordinate with team members. As we know, everyone is from different background, and they all have different types of role. But we managed using a, we had a functional team structure and clearly assigned roles. So we stick with our plan. We followed everything, so, and we had a good workflow throughout. And we kept creating schedule that was a very low, that was very clear at learning point. When it comes to learning point, and we had a feedback section. So we took feedback from everyone, and we tried to improve ourselves with all this feedback. And the issue, there were no much issue in the event, but only the issue challenges that we faced was, one is with the internet connection, and another with the collaboration with the team. So when we sticked on to the plan, we just overcome with ease. But initially it was difficult, but throughout it was okay, fine, then everything was going well, and everything was successfully completed, and the event was hosted and finished beautifully. So that was my project of this semester, and it was a fundraising event. So when in conclusion, it was a fundraising event that we raised fund for unprivileged students, and everything was going well. And the event took place that in our university itself, and every workflow, everything went as planned. And we had few challenges in the beginning and in the ending, but we managed somehow, and everything was good. And thank you so much. And that comes end of my this semester project. Thank you for so much for listening. That's all. Thank you. Bye.